Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. So, move forward to increase the volume, right here, and move backward to lower the volume. So, let's check it. Now I will put a song, and now I will move forward to increase the volume. Here we go, and again. Cool, and now I will move backward to lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!